Meet Ahmed. He's an overseas Pakistani property owner who is looking for an easy and reliable way to rent out his home. He's worried about the problems such as properties lying idle without earning any rent, reliability and transparency issues, tenants' grievance handling get difficult, legal formalities such as rent agreement and police verification. Now meet Waqas. He's hoping to be a tenant and is looking for the best deal with great satisfaction. He's looking for a place to which he can call his home without facing any of these problems. Don't know who to connect in case of any issue, in property issues in paying rent. If owner is living out of country. Are you also facing similar problems? Here is Paksar Zameen, complete property management solution, where we offer property management services including finding tenants, maintenance like painting, plumbing, electrical seepage, etc. and site visits, tenants verification, leasing, rent collection, regular updates of your property that will guarantee complete peace of mind for you. How does it work? We take responsibility. We take control of your home with an agreement. Then we will provide you a registered property account to check updates about your property, maintenance and work. We will survey the property to fix the problems. We rectify all the problems and the entire bills related to maintenance will be uploaded to your account on regular basis. Marketing and letting. We showcase your property using various platforms like professional photo shoots, luxury mailers or through property web portals so that prospective tenant would get to know all the features, documentation and regular update. The final agreement is signed to complete the lease and all the updates including deposit slips of rental checks collected with latest photographs are uploaded on your registered Paksar Zameen account. Look no further, visit paksarzamin.com.pk and get connected with us.